Hello everyone, this is Arpita. Welcome to my channel.
In this video, we are going to learn how to use parameters in Power Query Editor. If you want to download this code, please check the video description. You will find the GitHub link to download the code. Let's go to Power Query Editor. I'm in Power Query Editor where already I've added some sample data file. Now under this Home tab, we have one option Manage Parameters. If I click on this, here you will find manage parameters. That means some existing parameters which we can manage or modify, and we can create some new parameters. Let's click on this new parameters. Here, give some name. For example, region parameter. Here I will select the text and let's some suggested value north, south, east and west. Okay. What will be the default value? Let's select one value. And if you want to select the current value also, you can select from this drop down. Now click on OK. I have this region parameter. Now from here, we can select south, something like that. So if I select the south, now if we go back to the table, here nothing is changing. How to do that one? So click on this region column. Here, if you click on this drop down arrow, we have these text filters equals. I can select this parameter, and here we have this existing parameter it will show. So this region will be filtered based on this selection of this region parameter. Okay. Now click on OK. See, here I have selected south. Now in the table, south. Now here if I select north, if you go to the table, the north. So I hope from this video you understood how to create one parameter and how to use that parameter for your filter selection. Okay, and obviously in our next video we will learn about how to utilize this parameter within our invoke function method. Okay.
I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and provide your comment and please share with your friends and colleagues. Thank you. Thanks for watching.